There was this scene na kung saan merong dalawang magkaibigan. Tatawid sila sa isang tulay. Kaso, ang problema, when they have reached the bridge, nakita nila na kailangan pala merong magbaba ng lever from the other side in order to connect the bridge para makatawid sila parehas. But fortunately, kahit na ganun yung scenario na nadatnan nila, itong isang kaibigan niya, merong daladalang magic wand. At yung magic wand na yon, merong kakayanan na kapag umaapak siya sa hangin, hindi siya basta-basta malalaglag. So that is what they plan to do. Yung isa, lalakad gamit yung staff para makarating siya sa kabila. Tapos yung isa, meron siyang tali at tatalian niya yung kaibigan niya. So just in case na hindi mag-work yung magic na meron yung staff, kaya niya itong saluhin at kaya niya itong protektahan mula sa pagkahulog. But yes, they have the staff, they have the rope. But the problem is, parehas sila. Hindi sila sure kung kaya nilang paganahin yung kapangyarihan nitong staff. But they remembered na para magamit mo yung staff, you need to believe. You need to be fearless. At paniwalaan mo na talagang mangyayari yung gusto mong mangyari. So that is what they did. Inumpisa nila the first step, and the first step was successful. Hanggang sa tinuloy-tuloy ng kaibigan niya yung paglalakad at hindi siya nalalaglag. Nakatali pa rin sa kanya din yung rope, so just in case lang. Pero at the middle of the distance na tinatravel niya, biglang nag-loose yung tali. Pero itong isa niyang kaibigan na may hawak ng staff, tuloy-tuloy lang kasi nakikita niya na talagang nag-work yung magic. Pero at that time, nag-worry na yung kaibigan niya na naiwan sa kabilang side. Kasi baka mamaya pag nakita niya na wala na sa kanya yung tali or hindi niya hawak yung tali, baka matakot ito, tapos bigla siyang malaglag. What happened was, during the final step, isang step na lamang, lumingon itong may hawak na staff pabalik sa kanyang kaibigan. At during that time, bigla siyang natakot. Kasi nakita niya na hindi na hawak yung tali. Although meron naman siyang staff na kayang magpalutang sa kanya sa ere, natakot pa rin siya. At ang ending, nung nakita niya yung kaibigan niya, natakot siya, so nawala yung power ng staff. Hanggang sa nahulog siya, pero nakakapit siya dun sa isang bato at nakalampas siya dun sa kabilang side ng bangin. Alam nyo, napaka-powerful ng scene na to kasi dito natin makikita na talagang fear really kills our dreams, our self-belief. Alam nyo, marami sa atin ang talagang meron tayong pangarap, pero minsan instead of us taking the very first step wholeheartedly at buong buo ng walang pag-aalinlangan, napapangunahan tayo ng takot. Alam nyo, mas maraming pinatay na pangarap yung takot kaysa sa failure. Kasi at the moment na gusto na nilang ma-achieve yung dreams nila, doon sila nakaramdam ng takot, hindi na nila inumpisahan. Alam nyo, you can never succeed in something that you have never tried. But you can succeed in something that you have already tried, even if you failed 1,000 times. Dito natin makikita na in order for you to achieve something, you need to try and try and try. And the more that you try, the more you will believe na kaya mo. Kasi if you tried, the gap between your dream and where you are right now became closer and closer and closer and closer. But if you have that fear, if your gap from your dream is here and here, it will continue to be the same. Bakit? Kasi you never ever wanna try. Bakit? Kasi takot ka. So, what I want to say, be fearless. Achieve your dreams because you know that if you try, the more you try, the more chances of you to succeed. Just don't quit. And don't be just like others na hindi pa sila nag-umpisa, natatakot na agad sila. Ang ending, kung ano sila, ngayon, yung pa rin sila sa susunod na panahon. If you want to succeed in life, be fearless. Chase your dreams.